In this video, I am going to share with you 5 websites that provide proofreading and editing jobs worldwide. So this can be a great way to start earning some extra money. First on our list is ProofreadingServices.com. This company provides editing and proofreading services to businesses, academics, and authors worldwide. They hire freelance editors and proofreaders who can work remotely from anywhere in the world. The second website on our list is ProofreadingPal.com. ProofreadingPal is another proofreading and editing company that hires remote proofreaders and editors from different parts of the world. They offer a variety of editing and proofreading services to businesses and individuals. Third on our list is Cactus Communications. This company offers a range of editing and proofreading services to researchers, academics, and businesses around the world. They are always looking for experienced proofreaders and editors to join their team. The fourth website is EditFast. This company hires freelance editors and proofreaders from around the world. They offer a variety of editing and proofreading services to businesses, individuals, and academics. The last website on our list is WorldWice. This company provides editing and proofreading services to businesses and individuals around the world. They hire freelance proofreaders and editors to work remotely from different parts of the world. So these are the 5 websites that offer proofreading jobs globally. Whether you are looking to make some extra money on the side or start a full-time career as a proofreader, article writer, or translator, these websites are a great place to start. So this was all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.